So, ayun. Hello guys. Hi. Ngayon, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng vlog na tinatawag nating self-vlog. So, una po sa lahat, mag-introduce muna ako sa sarili ko. My name is Mary Ann Sanawan Esmenda. And you can call me Gigi na rin for short. And now, may tatanong lang para sa akin na this is where are you from? So, taga Zone 3 po guys, San Jose, Camarines Sur po ako. And then, habis ko rin po na listening music and well, sometimes I'm bored, I am jamming with my family and then gagawa rin mga bagay sa bahay kapag naboboard pa rin, ganon. Ito na rin, what are your expectation to the subject and your teacher? So, expect ko sa subject namin, the contemporary world is more knowledge, and I hope I understand the lessons give me my teachers yan. Then, syempre, first impression ko sa teacher ko, kasi tinatanong yun dito na, what is your first impression of your teacher? So, na-impress ko kay Ma'am, Princess May Lara. She is very kind, and I think she have understanding teacher for his student. Yun po. And the last question, what challenge do you think will you be encountering in this subject, and how do you cope with it? So I think the subject contemporary world, it's a fast, but she's to ideas of present age and to know the past or recently. So I think I can cope with it, I need to advance study, and then need to more knowledge for them. Then I need more time for this subject to push this, and yun lang po. So now, thank you and